In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide your following list here on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is updated. So open up the App Store or Google Play Store and just make sure it's fully updated. From here, open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner. And then to hide your following list from non-followers, you're going to want to scroll down and find this account privacy section right here. Select it and tick on this box for a private account. That is it. Now, only people who follow you will be able to see your followers and following list. But if someone already follows you, they will still be able to see that following list. And Instagram does not currently allow you to hide your following list from approved followers. So if you're on like a professional or business account, switch back to a personal account and then go ahead and put it on private as well. But if you are on a personal account already and then you already have someone following you, you can actually hold down on them on your followers list. And I'll show you how to do that real quick. You could just find them on here, hold down on them, or just hit the X next to them and it'll remove them as a follower. And then, of course, they won't be able to see it anymore either. But it really is as simple as that. With a private account, strangers and non-followers will not be able to see who you follow. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.